Hello, my friends. I cannot believe it. I'm emotional, guys. I'm moved. It's been a while. At my back, you can see that the garage that will become maxdmcrafting new studio. And yes, this is a video for saying to you that I'm alive. I'm alive, guys. I'm not in some other planet in the universe. And yeah, these were some tough months, guys. Some very tough period. And yeah, we did it. We just moved in the new town, in the new city. And we have a new house. And all these months I was working for that house. This is a short video for remember you that maxdmcrafting is here. I'm working on the new studio, and basically if you are one of my patrons you will see all the process. It will be a great journey, and today is actually the 4th anniversary of my first tutorial, and it's an important day in my life because I started to believe in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content. Check all the old videos, guys, because I know that you have a lot of catch up. And stay tuned because more has to come. Till next time, happy crafting.